Hello my dear learners. Today I am going to show you some common preposition and its use. On signifies a position in contact with a surface or a specific day or date. The glass is on the table. He came on Monday. In is used to indicate location, time, condition and place. Location, the cat is in the box. Time, he arrived in the morning. Condition, she is in a hurry. At is used to indicate a specific point in time, a location or a situation. Time, the meeting is at 3 p.m. Location, she is at the park. Situation, he is good at math. By is used to indicate the agent of an action and also indicate a time, place, methods and agent. The book is written by Tanim. Time, finish the report by Monday. Method, he traveled by the car. Place, she sat by the window. Above is a preposition used to indicate a position that is higher than or over something else. Example, position, the picture hangs above the fireplace. Level, the airplane flew above the clouds. Behind is a preposition used to indicate at the back of something. Example, position, the car is parked behind the house. Time, we are behind schedule. Before is a preposition used to indicate earlier in time, in front of, in position or preceding something. Time, I arrived before moon. Position, she stood before the audience. Preceding in order, he comes before me. After is a preposition used to indicate something happening later. Example, time, we will meet after lunch. Sequence, B comes after A in the alphabet. Position, she stood after him.